someone sends you a link and asks you to leave a message or a video for someone's birthday, you've come to the right place. You are a guest in Birthday Hello, and this video will walk you through exactly what to do. The good news first, you don't need to create an account, you don't need to download anything, you just open the link and go from there. When you tap the link, you will land on the event page. At the top, you will see the photo of the person being celebrated and the name of the event. Follow the steps that you will see on the screen. Fill your information and then upload a video, a photo, and a message. When you're done, hit the confirm and send button, and that's it. You are done. Your message will show up in the event when the host publishes it, and the birthday person will see it along with everyone else's. A couple of things worth knowing before you close this. First, you can only submit once per link, so take a moment before you hit send. Make sure you're happy with what you wrote or uploaded. Second, your gift won't be visible to the birthday person until the host publishes the event. And third, if something isn't working or the link doesn't open correctly, the best thing to do is reach out to whoever sent the link. They will be able to help you or resend it. That's everything you need to know as a guest. It's one of those things that takes longer to explain than it does to actually do. Once you're in, it's pretty self-evident. Go leave something nice for whoever's celebrating, and they will see it. Bye!